Welcome to the SeedLinked Platform. Today I'm covering how to add a variety to the SeedLinked database. As a SeedLinked participant, you'll come across two situations where you will need to add a variety to our database. One, you are reviewing your garden or farm and are growing a variety that isn't in the SeedLinked database. And two, you would like to add a check variety to a trial or planting you are part of, and the variety isn't in the SeedLinked database. First of all, please use the SeedLinked Seed Explorer to make sure that the variety you would like to add to the SeedLinked database isn't already included. If it isn't in the database, please follow along this video to request that the variety be added. Adding a variety to the SeedLinked database is quick and easy. To do so, go to the Help tab in the upper right. On top of the Help tab, select Request a Variety. On this page, you will see the form to request a new variety. To start with, share the email that you have a SeedLinked account through. This allows us to reach out to you if we have any questions regarding your request. Next, choose the crop type. Then click Next. Select the market class for your variety. We recognize that market class categorizations aren't perfect, but please pick one from what we have on the page. Once done, select Next. On this page, you can share main variety information. Please fill out all these fields as accurately as it helps keep our Seed Explorer database as reliable as possible for other growers. Information we are seeking includes breeding type, open pollinated or hybrid, variety name, breeder if known, days to maturity if known, variety description. It is helpful to copy and paste the description from your source for the seed. And seed source. This helps us know where the information came from. Once you add all this information, click the Submit button. New variety uploads are processed on a weekly basis on Wednesday evenings. So the variety you submitted should be available on the platform the following Thursday after submission. If you have 10 or more varieties that you would like to add to the database, please email us at help@seedlinked.com and we can facilitate entering your varieties through an Excel template. That is how you request to add a new variety to the SeedLinked database. If you have any questions or concerns or need immediate assistance, please contact help@seedlinked.com. If you have any feedback on how to make the platform better, share your ideas with us at feedback@seedlinked.com.